Manufacturing, along with transportation and warehousing, together accounted for 5% of Tallahassee's gross regional product in 2024. Manufacturing and transportation logistics transactions came to almost $3.7 billion in 2024, or 5.4% of all sales in the Tallahassee metro area. Leading sectors included transportation equipment manufacturing, chemical manufacturing, and machine manufacturing. Over 8,000 people in the Tallahassee metro area work in occupations directly related to manufacturing and transportation logistics, with an overall 5-year projected growth rate of 10%, compared to 2% for all occupations. Transportation and material moving, production, and office jobs together account for 3/4 of the occupations in manufacturing and transportation logistics. Over the past decade, jobs in this target industry have steadily increased, after a decline precipitated by the 2008 recession. The job growth rate for manufacturing and transportation logistics combined has been more vigorous than the overall private sector growth rate. The rate of job growth in transportation logistics is typically higher than that of manufacturing, but year-to-year growth fluctuates more than manufacturing. Manufacturing productivity exceeds overall private sector productivity by more than 40%. In the past decade, merchandise exports from the Tallahassee metro area have increased over 80%. Major manufactured exports include machinery, transportation equipment, and computer and electronic products. Commercial industrial leasable space increased by over 700,000 square feet in the past decade. In 2024, total building area in Leon County for all warehouse uses was 32% higher than what it was a decade ago. With expanded logistics capacity, total bills of lading have increased tenfold in the past 5 years.